Hi, how are you? In this video, I will explain about long talk and listening section of TOEFL test. In a part B, or even in part C of the listening comprehension section of the TOEFL test, consists of two long conversations, each followed by a number of questions. You will hear the conversations and the questions on the recording. They are not written in your task book. You must choose the best answer to each question from the four choices that are written in your task book. The conversations are often about some aspect of school life, how difficult a class is, how to write a research paper, how to register for a course. The conversation can be also about the topics currently in the news in the United States. Desalinations of the water supply, recycling of used products, damage from a storm, or some other type of natural phenomenon. Jadi, pada bagian listening, di tes TOEFL Part B merupakan percakapan yang lebih panjang. Jadi Anda akan mendengarkan percakapan yang lebih panjang dan diikuti oleh beberapa pertanyaan. Oke, seperti sebelumnya, pertanyaan tidak akan muncul pada lembar kerja atau lembar jawab Anda. Hanya yang Anda lihat adalah pilihan jawabannya. Oke, berikut adalah strategi secara umum untuk mengerjakan soal listening pada bagian B. Yang pertama, if you have time, preview the answers to the listening part B questions. While you're looking at the answers, you should try to do the following. Anticipate the topics of the conversations you will hear, and then anticipate the questions for each of the groups of answers. Pada dasarnya bagian listening, so I will review once again. Listening section of TOEFL tests, there are three parts. Part A, short conversation. Part B, long conversation. Part C, single talk. Untuk strategi mengerjakan soal listening bagian B dan C kurang lebihnya sama. Yang membedakan adalah rekamannya. Di bagian B Anda akan mendengarkan rekaman percakapan yang lebih panjang. Pada bagian C, pembicara pada rekaman tersebut hanya satu orang. Ketika Anda punya waktu, silakan Anda membaca jawaban-jawabannya, kemudian mengantisipasi kira-kira dari jawaban-jawaban tersebut topik yang akan Anda dengarkan itu apa. Dan juga Anda bisa mengantisipasi atau menebak pertanyaan yang akan muncul pada masing-masing soal. Second strategy, listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. The first line of the conversation often contains the main idea, subject, or topic of the conversation, and you will often be asked to answer such questions. Usahakan untuk bisa fokus mendengarkan baris pertama pada percakapan tersebut karena akan disampaikan terkait dengan topik, subjek, atau main idea dari percakapan tersebut. Number 3. As you listen to the conversation, draw a conclusion about the situation of the conversation. Who is talking, where the conversation takes place, or when it takes place. You will often be asked to make such inferences about the conversation. Sembari Anda mendengarkan, cobalah membuat kesimpulan terhadap situasi yang ada pada percakapan tersebut. Apa saja? Yang pertama, kira-kira siapa saja yang berbicara pada percakapan tersebut? Apakah dosen, Apakah guru, apakah pelajar, apakah dokter, dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian, where the conversation takes place artinya kira-kira percakapan tersebut terjadi di mana? Di kelas, di laboratorium, restoran, hotel, dan seterusnya. Atau Anda juga perlu menyimpulkan kira-kira kapan itu terjadi. Ya. Number 4, as you listen to the conversation, follow along with the answers in your textbook and try to determine the correct answers. Detailed questions are generally answered in order in the conversation, and the answers often sound the same as what is said in the recording program. Nah, sembari mendengarkan, coba urutkan membaca setiap jawaban-jawaban pada setiap soal. Oke. Nah, coba juga untuk memprediksi jawabannya apa. Nah, jawabannya juga akan berurutan. Oke. Number 5. You should guess even if you are not sure. Never leave any answers blank. Once again, ketika mengerjakan soal TOEFL, baik listening, structure maupun reading, jangan lupa jawab semua. Jangan pernah meninggalkan ada jawaban yang kosong. Number 6. Use any remaining time to look ahead at the answers to the questions that follow. Kalau punya waktu, coba review kembali jawaban-jawaban kalian. Ya, oke. Nah, tadi yang sudah saya sampaikan ini detailnya. Before listening, so anticipate the topics. It is very helpful to your overall comprehension if you know what topics to expect in listening part B. You should therefore try to anticipate the topics you will be hearing for. For example, are the conversations about some aspect of school life or some type of social issue or trip someone is planning? A helpful strategy is therefore to look briefly at the answers in the textbook before you actually hear the conversations in the recording program and try to determine the topic of the conversations that you will hear. So this skill will help you to implement these strategies in part B or part C of listening comprehension sections of TOEFL test. And then the second one, anticipate the questions. So before listening, try to guess the possible questions for each number. It is very helpful to your ability to answer individual questions in listening part B if you can anticipate what the questions will be and listen specifically for the answers to those questions. Here is the example. In your textbook you read A. In the airport, B. In the library, C. In the dormitory, D. In the travel agent's office. You try to anticipate the questions. Okay, possible questions will be, where does the conversation probably take place? Karena jawaban-jawaban yang ada mengisyaratkan mengarah pada suatu tempat. Nah, kayak berarti ketika nanti Anda mendengarkan percakapannya, coba gali atau simpulkan kira-kira percakapan tersebut terjadi di mana. This is an example. Nah, while listening, saat Anda mendengarkan percakapan, apa yang harus Anda lakukan? Determine the topic. Kalau tadi menebak, nah sekarang menentukan topiknya. As you listen to each conversation in listening part B, you should be thinking about the topic or subject or main idea for each conversation. Since the first one or two sentences generally give the topic, you should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. And then, the next is draw conclusion about who, what, when, and where. Seperti yang sudah saya jelaskan tadi ya. And then, listen for answers in order. Nah, there are two possible methods to use while you listen to a conversation in the listening part B of the TOEFL test. The first one, you can just listen to the conversation and ignore the answers. Or, you can follow along with the answers while you listen. Some students prefer to just listen to the conversation while it is being spoken, and if that method works well for you, then go ahead. That is what you should do. Other students find that they can answer more questions correctly if they read along with the answers while the conversation is being spoken. Because the detailed questions are answered in order, it is possible to read along while you listen to the conversation in the recording program. Here is the example. Listen for answers in order. On the recording, you hear, "Can I help you? I'm interested in opening an account." Well, we have several different types of accounts. Checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, time deposit accounts. As a checking account that I'm interested in, I can help you with that. First, you have to fill out a form, and then I need to see some identifications. That's about all there is to it. That sounds easy enough. Thanks for your help. On the recording, you hear, "Okay, what type of account does the woman want? What does the man need for her to show him?" In your dashboard, you read same time, a checking account, a saving account, a money market account, a time deposit account. Then the second questions and possible answers will be a form, an account, a piece of identifications, a check. You can see that the question will be asked in order according to which one is the first, second, and so on and so forth.